channel! We are from
12 Science and Mathematics 1!
Today we are gonna make a salad fruit, and if you want to know how to make it, enjoy this video and watch it until end. And check this out!
During the relaxing afternoon, we will make a fruit salad. We want to share to you the recipe of fruit salad. Let's dive into the ingredients. It is very simple. Here are the components. Making fruit salad, we aim for fruit that contrasting flavors and textures. Some are crunchy like apple, some are soft like dragon fruit, and some are bouncy like jelly. For the salad, we use watermelon, melon, dragon fruit, apples, jelly, and nata de coco. For the garnish, we use strawberries, orange, and grapes. For the dressing, we combine yogurt and mayonnaise. And condensed milk will add sweetness. We combine all of the fruit. We use ratio 1:1. Fruit releases water. We want the water content to be as low as possible so the dressing isn't yellow. Strawberry, orange, and grape I will leave them for the garnish.
We are gonna make the dressing. Use a half of the sachet of mayonnaise, half of the yogurt, and 5 tablespoons of the condensed milk. Put the dressing on the salad. Wait, we are gonna change the spoon. I wanna use this spoon. And now we are gonna add a layer of cheese. And you can skip it if you don't like it because it's for the cheese lover, okay? Fruit, the dressing, and the cheese are done, and now I will be preparing for the garnish. Grape slices into 2 pieces. Strawberries, the grape, and the orange on the top of the salad. Now please, after we all put and mix all of the fruit, we put the dressing, we put the cheese. Finally, the salad is done. Thank you for the watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe this video, guys.
We hope this tutorial can help you to make salad more better. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.